Oh my gosh. All right. Um, you know, in this little room, this is probably not a smart idea. And I've got carpet on the ground. All right, welcome everyone. My name's Chris, and this is Weekly Tech Vibe. Hey, big milestone just happened. If you just like, what is this about? Past 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for those who actually subscribed and have stayed with me all these years. I must admit, I've been on YouTube a long time. I've put out a lot of videos, but in the past, it was just a really casual thing that I'll do on and off. You know, like I'll do a holiday, I'll put some videos up. Something happened in my kid's life, I'll put a video up. You get the idea. And I was never really serious about it. But, you know, the more I watch YouTube and the more I enjoy it, you know, I really enjoy this sort of stuff that we're doing here and now. So technology and the like. So to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, don't forget, I've got my giveaway, which ends in a few weeks' time. So like one of my videos, put in the comments, hashtag winner, and subscribe. And if you do one of those, if you do all those three things, come 9th of December, I think it is. I'll put the date down below, plus there's details below that again. If you've done all those three things by that date, you can win yourself a gift voucher of your choice in your country of origin. I mean, how awesome is that? But in the meantime, I thought I would just commemorate and actually, you know, memorialize, document. I'm going to document this achievement of 1,000 subscribers by doing a studio tour, which nobody asked for, but I'm doing it anyway, just so that later on, when I'm old, I can go, oh, that Chris, yeah. And what's with the beard? The beard, I'm doing MOVEMBER, which yes, it should be just the mustache, but I don't think I'll look very good with a mustache. So I'm doing the whole beard for the month of November, and it's itching, it's annoying me. But hey, if you're up for donating and you want to make a tax-deductible donation, and we want to help men's health, and the MOVEMBER Foundation is awesome. They support stuff all around the world. So details below as well. You want to go donate and help out down there. So cheers. All right, let's do this. Quick little tour. I'm going to go pick up the camera now. Okay, I had to temporarily stop there because it was in manual focus, zoomed in, and yeah, that wasn't going to work for my quick little studio tour. All right, so what have I got? Now, purchase, which I will do a video of, is my Yeti microphone. Spent like $180 or $160 on this. Best purchase I've ever made. In fact, you know what? The best thing I ever did was to start using this, study as my studio. That you can't beat having everything set up, ready to go, without having to, you know, take all that time, erect everything, line everything up, make sure everything's perfect, go, and then unpack or depack, put stuff away at the end of the day. Really super annoying. So I'm very happy that I've got this setup that I have. I've got a very old, I think it's 2012, 2011 iMac that I edit with. So I use Final Cut Pro for Weekly Tech Vibe. Yeah, Yeti microphone, which is great. Check out these lights. I got these on eBay for like $60 delivered for the two of them, and included two light stands. And they're pretty awesome. They run at 5,500 Kelvin. So I've set the camera also to match, which gives it that nice warm look like I'm outdoors. But if you're in here with me right now, maybe I'll try and set the warmth to a different setting. It actually looks like a white light. It's pretty impressive how they all work. And man, these things are massive. Check this out. Prepare to be blinded. So this diffuser light here, actually, look, it's got a serious compact fluorescent in there, and that thing is running at like 1,200 watts. It's insane, and this room heats up when I'm filming. Oh, someone's visiting me. Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
This is Amy. Say hi.
Hi.
I think you're in frame there. Alright, so, what's the other thing? Going with the Yeti, just coming back here for a quick second. I haven't planned or scripted this, which is what I normally do, and I'll show you that in a second. I got the boom to go with the Yeti. so that I could position it somewhere within this space. And as you can hear, it's a front addressing microphone, so there's actually three mics on this thing, but the primary one's here, and I've turned it into cricoid, I think it's called, to reject stuff that happens behind that. So you have to address it this way and not down that way. No, not a good idea. I'll do a review on this later. It's actually a really great microphone. It's USB, love it to bits. And to make my life easier, so I can sit or stand or do whatever I need to do. So I I can go up here, and oh look, my new hands. It stays there by itself. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Oh yeah, script and stuff. So almost every episode of Weekly Tech Vibe I have to script. Now that's to make sure that one, I don't repeat myself, that I'm saying things as smart as I possibly can say them, but I also do it to be as professional as I can, because there's one thing I don't like is where the reviewer just goes on and on and on, and the video takes forever, which hopefully this video is not doing right now. And so to be able to deliver it to you as succinctly as I can, I used to have to try to memorize it. I'd read a bit, I'd do a bit to camera, I'd have to stuff it up, repeat it, say it again, and that process would repeat itself. So read, do the camera, read. It took me forever. What are you doing up there? It took me forever. It was like really slow and painful thing to do. So I decided to actually start using the Parrot teleprompter software with my own homemade auto cue. I mean, check this out. All right, here it is here. So I've mounted it to a light stand, just with a little bit of cut-off wood that I had at home. The top bit is just a picture frame with the glass left in it, and some dowel pieces of wood here to actually keep it at that 45-degree slant. Let me load up a script so you can actually see what it looks like for me as I would read it. Okay, just a second. So this is hard to conceptualize because normally this camera will be on that tripod over there with the teleprompter in front of it. So I'll just put the drape over it so you can see what I'm talking about. So hopefully that comes out well and you can see what's going on there, that the glass at the 45-degree angle allows me to actually read the script with the camera behind it, obviously. And it looks like I'm talking to you through the lens, but in actuality I'm reading the script. It works really well most of the time, but unfortunately if I get a little bit overly dramatic and overact, which I tend to do, I have to temporarily pause it, rewind the script, and reshoot just a little bit so that I get everything I can. But to give you an idea, that method I had before where I'd have to read camera, that would take me 2 to 3 times the length of whatever video you had seen. So like it was a 10-minute video, it'd take me half an hour shooting it. Oh, whereas now with the Parrot teleprompter app and my little homemade auto cue machine, I'm getting it done in like 12-15 minutes maximum with only a few stuff ups, and the fewer stuff ups I make, the happier I am, because this whole process takes me forever. So let's talk about processes, especially for those who are just starting out. Absolutely batch your work. I write a script, or I write 2 scripts across the week, in my breaks, at lunch, at home, at night time. A script can take me an hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can take a lot of hours, especially something like the Screams 101 and stuff around home theater, where you've got to research and look into it, find the pictures and video to go with the video. It's very time consuming. Then on the weekends I film, so I try to do all my filming together, so I just spend an hour maximum getting everything done. Then I import it into the computer, and then during the week in the morning I wake up super early, like at 6 a.m, and I spend an hour and a half editing, and then I go to work, and I keep doing that all the time. So I could make this faster and I could do what I would consider lower quality videos, but I don't want to do that. I want to do something that's representative of my values. I like stuff that's where you cross your T's and you dot your I's. I love this video, and I want it to be informative and fun, and absolutely factual and up to date. A lot of times you see some videos, it's kind of like, well, what's your point? And I don't understand what you're saying to me. Like, geez, man, I probably do that too, but I try not to. So I hope you enjoy these videos. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. 1,000, that's amazing. Here's to maybe 10,000. We'll celebrate when we get to that milestone, shall we? Yeah? Alright, I'm going to keep going as I am. I'll try and do more videos per week. And next year, I'm getting way ahead of myself. I'll probably do 3 a week, but I've got to get this right first, yeah? Alright, stay techie.